Listen up, fellow travelers navigating the chaos of the digital age. You've just found something far more valuable than another fleeting viral clip. If you've ever caught yourself endlessly scrolling, feeling the weight of constant comparison, struggling to release the small frustrations of daily life, or simply wishing you could care a little less about things that don't truly matter, then you've arrived at the right place. Centuries before smartphones and social media, a group of remarkable thinkers known as the Stoics developed a practical philosophy for living with clarity and strength. Their ideas remain surprisingly relevant for our overstimulated, always-on world. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 timeless Stoic principles that can help you reclaim calm, build resilience, and live with greater intention in the middle of modern noise. If you'd like more insights like these delivered to you first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The worst that can happen is you walk away a little wiser. Ready? Let's begin. 1. Focus on what you can control, release the rest. Imagine this: you've just poured yourself the perfect morning coffee. Moments later, your cat knocks the entire cup onto the floor. The old version of you might have erupted in frustration, blamed the cat, or cursed the universe. But Seneca offered a better perspective. We suffer more from our thoughts about events than from the events themselves. Spills happen. Distractions happen. What remains fully in your power is how you respond. You can choose to clean it up, make another cup, and move on without letting the moment ruin your morning. The same principle applies when your internet drops during an important call or your food arrives cold. The inconvenience itself is minor. Your reaction decides whether it becomes a big problem. 2. Live fully in the present. Marcus Aurelius reminded us not to let the future trouble us, because we will meet it when we arrive if we take care of the present. Yet most of us spend our days mentally elsewhere. We walk outside while our minds race through tomorrow's to-do list. We sit with family while replaying old regrets. The Stoics teach that this very moment is the only one we truly possess. Being present means tasting your food, hearing the person in front of you, and noticing the small details of ordinary life. When you stop sacrificing the now for the past or the future, life becomes richer, quieter, and more meaningful. 3. Accept that change is inevitable. Seasons shift without resistance. Winter gives way to spring, and no one tries to stop it. Yet when life changes, when a job ends, a relationship shifts, or plans fall apart, we often fight hard against it. Epictetus taught that it is not events themselves that disturb us, but our judgments about them. Life moves like a river. Struggling against the current drains your energy. Learning to flow with it brings freedom. Every unexpected turn is part of your ongoing story. You are not a finished product. You are a work in progress, and change is one of the tools shaping you. 4. Stop seeking approval from the outside world. Likes, comments, and shares have trained many of us to measure our worth by external feedback. Epictetus observed that people are troubled less by actual problems than by their imagined worries about them. It is strange how easily a few icons on a screen can lift or crush our mood. Stoicism invites us to build self-worth from the inside through our values, our actions, and our character. The next time a post goes unnoticed or someone leaves a sharp comment, remind yourself your value is not determined by public opinion. You are the only one who gets to decide what you are worth. 5. Understand that everything has its season. Loss hurts, whether it is a small object you loved, a chapter of life that is closed, or someone dear to you. Marcus Aurelius wrote that loss is simply change, and change is nature's delight. Trees release their leaves so new ones can grow. In the same way, endings clear space for beginnings. Instead of clinging tightly to what is gone, Stoicism encourages us to appreciate the temporary nature of all things. Live fully while you can. Love deeply. And when the time comes, let go with grace. Every ending makes room for something new. 6. Use difficulty as training. Everyone faces obstacles, demanding bosses, financial pressure, delays, disappointments. It is natural to wish life were easier. Seneca, however, saw difficulty differently. Challenges strengthen the mind the way physical labor strengthens the body. Treat hardships as training sessions for your character. When something hard appears, ask not, "Why is this happening to me?" but, "What is this teaching me?" Every setback contains a lesson and an opportunity to grow stronger. The Stoics would not have avoided difficulty. They would have welcomed it as necessary practice. 7. Build wealth on the inside. In a world that constantly displays luxury and success online, it is easy to believe happiness comes from acquiring more. Seneca cut through this illusion when he said that the real poverty belongs to the person who always wants more, not the one who has little. True richness is found in contentment, meaningful experiences, and inner peace. Enjoy nice things when they come, but do not let them own you. At the end of life, it will not be the objects you collected that matter most. It will be the quality of the life you actually lived. 8. Work with fate rather than against it. This does not mean becoming passive. It means recognizing the limits of your control. Epictetus advised us not to demand that events unfold according to our wishes, but to wish that they unfold as they do. We can plan, prepare, and act with full effort. Yet outcomes are never fully ours to command. When things do not go as hoped, Stoicism teaches us to accept reality instead of exhausting ourselves in resistance. Some of the most interesting chapters of a life begin with events no one planned. 9. Contribute to the lives of others. Seneca reminded us that we are all connected in a shared human partnership. Stoicism is not only about personal strength, it is also about using that strength in service of others. Helping a neighbor, supporting a friend, or offering quiet kindness adds meaning to both lives. Every genuine act of support ripples outward. A life focused only on the self eventually feels empty. A life that lifts others gains depth and purpose. 10. Regularly examine your own mind. In a fast-moving world, reflection is often the first thing we sacrifice. Marcus Aurelius observed that the quality of our life depends on the quality of our thoughts. Taking time to review your actions, notice your patterns, and correct your course is essential. Think of it as a quiet system check for your character. Learn from mistakes without harsh self-judgment. Notice what is working. Celebrate small progress. Self-awareness is the foundation of lasting peace. These 10 principles are not about becoming cold or detached. They are about building inner stability, living with clearer eyes, and moving through life with purpose. As we close this exploration of Stoic wisdom, it is striking how well these ancient ideas fit the pressures of modern life. Some truths simply do not expire. Before you go, I would love to hear from you. Which of these principles spoke to you most strongly today? Was it Seneca's insight on suffering, Marcus Aurelius on the present moment, or another idea entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments so we can learn from one another. And if this conversation offered you even a little clarity or calm, consider subscribing, liking the video, and turning on notifications. Not for empty numbers, but so we can keep exploring these ideas together. Life will always bring challenges and surprises. With the right mindset, those same challenges can become the material from which a stronger, freer life is built. Until next time, stay curious, stay steady, and keep practicing the quiet strength of Stoicism.